Hello and welcome to another episode of Quick, Simple and Easy Recipes. Alright, so what you're gonna need is 3 bananas and you wanna mash them just like you mash potatoes. Now you can use a fork or a potato masher, but the result should pretty much be the same. You wanna mash them really good into a nice creamy substance. Now once you're done mashing the bananas, transfer them into a bigger bowl and then crack 2 eggs. You also want to add oil or melted butter. I prefer melted butter, but I used oil in this video because I don't have any butter left. So yeah, you have to forgive me for that. Then you want to add a bit of salt, just a pinch. And then you want to mix it for around 10 seconds. After you're done mixing, add 300 grams of sugar and 300 grams of flour and a little bit of baking soda. 1 tablespoon in fact. I only added a whole packet because there was just a tablespoon left in there. Then you want to mix it into a nice creamy texture. Now if you get something that's dry like dough, then you want to add a little bit of milk into it. Not much, just so it can help the texture just to get creamy. You might want to have it thick, otherwise it's not gonna bake well. Once it's thick, you can just grab a pan that's already covered in flour and oil, and you want to pour the mixture inside the pan and let it bake inside in an oven at around 180 degrees Celsius, around 45 minutes. Okay, so for the chocolate glaze, you'll need 1 cup of warm milk and 3 to 4 cups of dark chocolate powder. And you wanna mix them up really good. When you see, no, I don't know how to say those, but I'll leave a text on how they're pronounced. Once you're done mixing, take 1 orange and you wanna cut it in half. And after you do that, you might as well grab it and squeeze it really good till you get all the juice in there. Just the juice, no extra bits. And then you wanna stir it really good till the juice and the milk collide with each other. Once that's done, take your glaze and pour it all over the cake. You want to cover all the sides of the cake. And after that you can sprinkle it or decorate it however you want. I pretty much prefer to decorate with coconut, but you can use sprinkles or any other kinds of decorations you want. And lastly, cut it up and serve it into a dish. And that's all you had to do.